Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome once again to Zero TV Official. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share before we go into this video, and even after watching this video if you haven't. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you something amazing. I'm going to be introducing you to a global platform called Udemy, where you can get access to thousands, millions of courses which you can use on any niche or any line of a business. You get any line, whether on education, whether on graphic design, whether on web development, personal development, marketing, health and fitness, and a lot more. So a lot of persons already know these courses, they know the value of these courses, and they feel like the prices are outrageous. Some of them can't afford it, some of them like lots of courses, but their budget is not up to that. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to free courses on Udemy without paying a dime. $0, zero naira, €0, or whatever currency you are using. You're not going to spend a dime or spend a buck on what on the paying for any course on a Udemy with this secret method. So just if you are with your phone, just go over to udemy.com. I'm going to be showing you directly with my PC. I'm going to be showing you my PC. Go over to udemy.com here, and in the website now, this is just how it is. You create an account first of all. So I've actually created an account. You create an account, log in there. You get. So I've created my account over here. Next thing you do, you now go over to this place and search. You go over to this place and search. Which one will I search for? Let me search for okay, smartphone video editing. Smartphone video editing. So my network is a little bit bad, but just flow with me. So this is it. You search for smartphone video editing or whatever course you are searching for. So these are the courses. Lots of courses. You see their prices over here, and okay, this for smartphone video. This thing you look for the one you need. But first of all, this is what you do. You scroll down. You go over to this place where there's price. Just a simple logic. This is paid. We have 8,935 paid courses and 1,047 free courses. You click on this free. This will filter out the paid courses from the free courses. And note, because these courses are free doesn't mean they are less quality. It's because the owner of the course just probably made it free. That doesn't mean they are less quality. So you can actually learn or search for anything, and this method works for any single course. Any single course. Okay, let me search for this part. Let me click on this Power Director course. It's just a very simple logic you can use. This is a preview course, and then you click on arrow now. You click on arrow now. You wait for it to load, depending on your network. So that is it. This is just a simple logic, and I believe you can also do it with your smartphone. You can do it too with your smartphone. Just get that interface or look for that place price, click the drop down menu, and then you click on start course. So you can see there's nothing edited here. That is just a simple logic you can use for any single course or any niche you are looking for free courses on Udemy. So this is one of the methods. Probably I'll come up other times to show you other methods that I use and it's working for me. This is also working for me, and I'm visiting on arrow courses that has been helpful for me, and probably get certification and boost my what CV. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any single question, don't forget to leave it out in the comment section, and I'm going to answer you and probably give you links to get started. So also join my Telegram channel to get access to money making information and other important money making stuff, stake, and lots more on my channel for exclusively my subscribers. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.